Presenting SanDisk Ultra 64GB pen drive. This product comes in 5 size variants of 16GB, 32GB, 64GB, 128GB and 256GB. This pen drive performs at a read speed of 150 MB per second. This pen drive has a USB Type-C connector and a regular USB connector. This device is compatible with USB Type-C smartphones and PC. This device comes in black color. Inside the box, you will find one flash drive. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.